With Spot Services in Easton doing a roof cleaning. This customer, excuse me, this customer only needed certain areas cleaned. They've got a lot of moss growth on the back half of this roof, so we're just doing a spot treatment here, taking care of a few sections. There's a couple other eaves out there, but you can see how dirty it is, how mossy it is rather, and we're using our pump with our soap system to go ahead and apply the roof cleaner. And if you've seen previous videos, you know that we spray it and leave it. We don't go back and rinse it off because we don't want to disturb the shingle grit that's on the roof. So this stuff is going to die today. It's going to be dead once I leave. And over the course of the next few weeks or months, the rain is going to gently wash it off of the roof surface. And it's important that this stuff be taken care of because it can lead to premature roof failure, especially since it does have a root system that digs into the shingles and tears away the shingle grit. So just putting tons of soap, but stuff is really absorbing the soap here. It's incredible how much moss is actually up on this roof. As you can see, it'll turn white, which shows it's dead. It'll turn white in the next few minutes. So there we go. It's a lot of soap it needs. Exciting, right? But give us a call for an estimate before you get up there with a power washer and potentially wreck the roof, wreck the shingles. We can come out and take care of this. Usually we can schedule you in within the same week or the following week, depending how busy we are, and take care of you that way. Now I have to come back and do a house wash, so I'm going to get that soap off the deck as well once I come back around. So, but again, Spot Services, 410-822-4144. For the most part, we can get you an estimate right over the phone. If it's something a little more complicated, I can come out and take a look at it in person. My name is Scott Martinetti, and owner operator of Spot Services Pure Wash. Thanks again.